In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create business ads image in the Google Gemini Windows app. We'll take a product photo you already have and turn it into a polished advertisement using Gemini's image capabilities on Windows. First, open the app and look for the plus sign. This is your upload button. Click it to add the product image you want to feature. Choose a clear, well-lit photo. JPG or PNG works great. And aim for the highest resolution you have, so the final result looks crisp. If the app lets you crop, keep the subject centered with a little space around it for any text you'll add later. And as always, upload only images you own or have permission to use. Next, you'll craft the prompt that tells Gemini exactly what to create. Be specific, refer to your uploaded image, and describe the final ad's look, text, and mood. For example, if you're promoting a burger, write a prompt like this. Use my uploaded burger photo to create a high-quality advertisement poster for a burger business. Keep the burger as the main focus and enhance it to look juicy, fresh, and appetizing with vibrant colors and sharp details. Add a dark, slightly blurred background to make the burger stand out. Include realistic lighting, soft shadows, and a slight glow to highlight the textures of the meat, cheese, and buns. Add text that says, "Ultimate Beef Burger," as the headline, and "Juicy, Fresh, Made Daily" as a tagline. Include a price of $2 to $49 and a call to action text, "Order now." Place the text in a clean, modern font and arrange it neatly without covering the burger. Make the overall style look professional, eye-catching, and suitable for social media advertising. Feel free to replace the product, price, or headline with your own details, but keep that level of clarity. When your prompt looks good, press Enter to send it. If the app shows a submission indicator, wait for it to confirm that your request has started. Avoid pressing Enter repeatedly, which can duplicate the task. Now, wait for a while as Gemini processes your request. The time can vary based on image size and prompt complexity. You might see a spinner or progress message. Don't close the app while it's working. Once it finishes, your ad image will appear. Check that the subject is prominent, the background feels subtle, and the text is legible and well placed. If anything needs refining, adjust your prompt. Maybe specify text placement, color contrast, or font weight, and press Enter again to iterate. With a strong upload and a clear prompt, you'll have a professional, eye-catching business ad ready for social media in just a few moments.